We believe every life is precious, unique, and worthy of care. At Bloomage Biotech, we empower life to radiate vitality and thrive. We embed digitalization into every stage of tech innovation. Partnering with AUSTAR, we've built Bloomage Biotech 4.0 digital factory driven by cutting-edge tech innovation.
Global vision. We strive for operational excellence to empower Bloomage to unlock life's vibrant essence. Tech-driven. We deliver end-to-end digital transformation solutions for Bloomage. From strategic consulting to full implementation, through lean consulting, standardized processes, and integrated digital systems, we built a fully interconnected digital factory, gradually developing a digital, intelligent, and smart Bloomage ecosystem.
We assessed Bloomage's cross-domain operations and digital maturity in depth. Based on core challenges, AUSTAR designed a tailored solution, starting with digital and lean consulting, then consolidating and amplifying value via digital systems. Following consulting milestones, daily management system setup, and core process standardization, we rolled out full system deployment. We delivered MES, DCS, WMS, EMS, LIMS, plus seamless integration with 10+ platforms. This integrated approach embeds lean and standardization value into a solid digital backbone, driving continuous operational efficiency. AUSTAR team built a complete daily management system and lean improvement framework for Bloomage. Synergizing data analytics and system management, we achieved significant improvement in production yield and OEE.
In the warehouse dispensing room, MES terminals optimize material identification and weighing workflows. They track every material accurately, ensuring precise identification and full traceability. During dispensing, operators weigh precisely and label batches, boosting accuracy and efficiency, eliminating human errors, and enabling full material traceability. Our MES and DCS systems synergize to optimize fermentation process. From seed tank inoculation to cultivation and fermentation, we fully integrate batch management and control tailored to business needs. ERP-generated production orders auto-sync to MES, which triggers DCS and batch control systems. Throughout production, DCS and MES interact seamlessly, enabling end-to-end automation for precise, efficient, reliable operations.
The Intelligent Lab auto-generates inspection requests, prints labels, and triggers workflows, all from upstream systems. LIMS integrates deeply with multiple instruments, streamlining smart testing and cutting lab workload. Final CO reports auto-upload to ERP. QA approves release based on results. We refine every step with lean principles to optimize resources and boost efficiency. A digital factory delivers stable production, real-time data visibility, and full compliance with regulatory standards.
As a trusted partner, AUSTAR built a lean-driven digital factory for Bloomage, empowering efficiency, quality excellence, and preserving product vitality. Connecting extraordinary ideas, delivering distinctive excellence. AUSTAR delivers smarter pharma engineering solutions to enhance global drug safety and efficacy, safeguarding and promoting human health.